All right, guys. So always make sure if you guys are installing stuff on your vehicle that you guys don't leave out stuff. Now, there's stuff normally that are connected to stuff, and when I say connected, they're connected. You know, it doesn't fall out, stuff like that. This wasn't connected. It was just sitting on top. So I installed everything, put in the line, and this was flapping somewhere out there. The guy the guy whose car I'm working on, noticed that it was out there, and I was like, I can't take it off because it goes on the top. It goes on the top. There's a little plastic piece that anchors it into place from the top. And well, basically, if you take that top off, you're gonna have to, it's gonna break it. So apparently, something like this is gonna take, he's gone to the dealership to pick up that little plastic piece. Now I could have cut this and just slipped this on, put maybe a little bit glue on there. I'm pretty sure this isn't altogether that important as far as the whole unit is concerned, but I guess it's better to have it on there than not. And now I'm sitting around just, I could do the other side too, but it's pretty hot out, and I prefer to have this vehicle turned around and then me putting this on. But I mean, it's always good to do a job right, 100%. I'm sure I'm not the only one who's missed this part, it fell out or whatever. Go to the dealership. I'm sure that's done a lot of times too, because it's not actually hooked up, connected to the airbag itself, and you won't notice it because if this dropped on the floor and everything's installed, I doubt that they're gonna just take everything apart just to install this little thing, because you wouldn't notice it. But all I'm saying is, if you are working on your vehicle, you definitely want to be mindful of all the little pieces that are connected, and mindful that, just make sure that when you connect, before you connect everything, that everything's in place. So I guess that's my video. Take care, guys.